Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom meeting link. So let's continue into Zoom app and then tap on New Meeting. Tap on Start a Meeting. Guys, now you are on a meeting, and if you want to add others in this meeting, then tap on the Zoom icon arrow in the top of middle. Now press the invite link, and guys, you can see your invite link has been copied to the keyboard. And guys, now you can share this link with your friends, and that's how you can create Zoom app link. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.